This is my favorite seed pack from Organo Republic. It is their vegetable packet. This one has 20 different varieties, over 12,400 different seeds. You get everything from cabbage and broccoli and eggplant and peppers and pumpkins and tomatoes. And what I love about it is it includes stuff that I wouldn't buy individually, but here it is in a pack, and it just encourages me to try new things. We have used it for a couple seasons now, and we love that they are GMO free heirloom seeds. They're good for indoor and outdoor, but it is from a business that is family owned here in the United States. If you want to keep the seed packets for a couple growing seasons, if you keep them sealed, they'll last up to 2 years. And this is our garden here that we have going now, and just really satisfied. Just love the Organo Republic seeds. So we're grateful that they sent it to us to try. So if you're looking for some quality seeds, check out the different packs. They have all different kinds of varieties, and I'm sure you'll be satisfied.